Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again, part 2 on my replacement of my curtain rods, fixing the middle section of it. These are the new curtains that I bought. You can get these on eBay. That's a few websites, and if you go to Google, put in photographic curtains, you can find all kinds of them on Google. And these curtains here have a round ring in them, which makes it a lot easier to glide on your curtain rod. You see here. All right, and you can see where I replaced that middle section. It holds up really, really well. I still haven't touched up that screw that I did on that support. Now these curtains right here have a really good backing to them. And then I replaced my blinds, again at Lowe's. They're the 2-inch blinds. And the thing about this, they changed over to where you don't have the pull down cords to them now. So you have to manually pull the blinds up with your hand, or let's pull them back down. Hopefully in the future they'll have a little bit better ideas on working on those. But again, this is Anna Lee with replacing the middle section of the curtain rod. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.